Hi, I'm Kiara Scott, but my friends prefer to call me emotionally unavailable. Anyway, today we're going to be putting on makeup. So let's get started. Now, every good makeup guru knows that the first step is to open the packets. So how about we do this? One down. One more to go. Die, foot! You're not welcome here, bitch. Damn, this is proving a lot harder than I thought. Look, children! I did it! The next step to putting on makeup is to give your face a good wash to get rid of that oily stream. First, get some water. Next, feeling fresher already. Now that your face has been freshly prepared, you must pick up your makeup implements, or torture devices as I like to call them. First, I'm going to be putting on this lovely new mascara thingo. Honestly, I don't know what it is, but hey, let's try. Oh. Wow, I'm feeling pretty already. You can't beat a good frosting. No. Oh. Gosh, am I lovely? Ow. What the Gosh, do I look beautiful? Now to do the next one. Don't I look beautiful? Now, time to use this new eyeliner pencil. Let's try this. I do have great beliefs that it goes here. I'm meant to go as the instructions said. Oh yes. Oh wow, I'm looking actually quite good. I think I'll be able to go outside soon. Hey now, you just gotta add some more length for the side. Oh gosh, I'm lovely. Wow guys, I'm looking stunning already. Time to put on some different makeup. Wow, look what I found. Time to try it on. So, we're going to start with some pretty blue eyeshadow. Just got to get a lot of it on your little dabba-dooba. That's the actual name for them, dabba-doobas. Scientifically proven. Next, you close your eye and go... Oh, yes. Oh, gosh. Am I stunning or what? Then you do this. Oh, yes. Next, we apply some of this Beauty Essentia on your lips. Like this. Gotta have firm control over the brush for it to work. Oh gosh, I don't think I've ever looked so beautiful before. Next, some of this Cosmetic Apple Lip Gloss. This.
Gotta rub that between your lips.
Now let's have some of the shiny pink one. Wow. Guys, I don't think I've ever been this beautiful before. I'm shook. I really am. Wow, I look stunning. I've never thought I could look this good, but I guess I was wrong. Anyway, thanks for joining me. Making me look sexy. Time for my date. I swear to God, if this doesn't come off, I'm gonna cry. How does this come off?